In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make some edits in an existing Google ad campaign, right? I made a campaign yesterday and I didn't like the headlines, so I'm going to change them. So first, let's find the campaign, right? So yesterday I made a campaign called Rave. So let me just look for it because I have about 218 campaigns, so I cannot look for it manually. So let's type in the name. Okay, so here, this is the one created yesterday. So we go into the campaign. Then in the campaign, I guess we select the ad group. Now when we come to the ad group, we go to ads. Now once we are on this page, we can edit, right? So I've already done some research using ChatGPT and made some new headlines and descriptions better than the ones that I used yesterday. So let's come here. So here are the headlines. So let's change them. So let's go to ChatGPT. This is the one. Change it. Then this is the one. Let's change it. So I got 10 titles here. So I'm going to change all of them. Okay, so we changed it. In the earlier version, I had pinned two of the headlines. I'm going to unpin that. Reason why is because let's allow Google to rotate these and then select what works best. Okay, so now let's go into the description. Let's change those also. So this is the description. Right. Let's go and do this one too. That's the third one. And that's the fourth one. So that's it. Apart from this, we got site links. We're going to leave that as it is. We got some call outs. That's not visible here. Okay, more asset types. These are site links existing, so I'm going to leave them as it is. These are there are no callouts. Okay, there are callouts. So let's see what we got in the callouts. Okay. I think the callouts are fine, so just we'll leave the callouts as it is. So there's nothing to be done in the callouts. So cancel. Go back and we say save ad. And that's it. So we got this campaign edited and ready to start getting impressions. Let's see how it works out. Thank you for watching.